Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to purpose of earth testing in data centers. I am host UGP Reddy and I will be guiding you through this video. Let's go started. Purpose of earth testing in data centers. Safety. Proper grounding protects the electrical infrastructure and prevents electrical shocks. Equipment protection prevents the buildup of electrical charges that could damage sensitive IT equipment. Compliance ensures that the data center meets local electrical safety codes and regulations. Common earth testing methods. One fall of potential test, 3-point method. A current is injected into the ground system at one point, and the voltage drop is measured at two other points. This method is often used in large installations like data centers to measure overall earth resistance. 2. Clamp-on earth test. A clamp-on tester measures the resistance of the ground system by detecting the potential difference. This is a non-invasive method and useful for ongoing maintenance testing. 3. Stakeless testing. Used in situations where driving test stakes is difficult or impractical, such as in already constructed data centers. Earth resistance values. Ideally, the resistance value should be below 1 ohm, but it varies depending on the local soil conditions and the grounding system design. A typical value for data centers is less than 5 ohms, but lower values are preferred for optimal performance.